What year was the Pacific opened?
1924.
How many kilometers was on the circuit originally?
Around 14
Who
kilometers.
set the fastest lap record on this track and when?
Probably Michael Schumacher.
How steep is Rouge?
17%.
When was the WEC championship established?
2012.
Which driver has won the most WEC championship?
Someone of Toyota, probably Guemi, Guemi probably.
Which constructor has won most WEC championship?
Bosch.
Okay. How many years has the 24 hours of Le Mans been running?
100. 100.
How many endurance races will be held in 2024 combining WEC and IMSA?
Some like 10, 12.
And what was the track control so far?
Someone from the past, Graham Hill. Okay.
How many Kings Road Roma?
7.
Which year Great Britain was founded?
Which year?
Great Britain was founded.
This I don't remember.
What's the largest ocean in the world?
The Pacific.
What was the smallest state in the world?
Vatican City.
How many cars there are in the one family?
80.
What is the most populous city in the world?
Tokyo.
What happened in July 1969?
July 69.
Okay. How many key does a classic piano have?
Somewhere like 80, 90.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many times though there are in USA?
6.
How many days does it take to Earth to orbit around the Sun?
Yeah, like 1 year.
Any days?
Well, anyway, 365.
Okay, perfect.